How to replace the rear speaker. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, and heatsink. Removal. Peel up the plastic mylar and disconnect the wireless antenna cables from the wireless LAN module. Peel back the tape that secures the touch control board cable and wireless antenna cables to the rear speaker. Disconnect the touch control board cable from its connector on the system board and remove it from its routing channel on the rear speaker. Remove the wireless antenna cables from their routing channel on the rear speaker. Disconnect the rear speaker cable from its connector on the system board. Pry the rear speaker off of its alignment posts on the top cover. Remove the rear speaker. Replacement. Place the rear speaker onto its alignment posts on the top cover. Reconnect the rear speaker cable to its connector on the system board. Route the wireless antenna cables through their routing channel on the rear speaker. Route the touch control board cable through its routing channel on the rear speaker. Smooth over the tape that secures the wireless antenna cables and the touch control board cable to the rear speaker. Reconnect the touch control board cable to its connector on the system board. Reconnect the wireless antenna cables to the wireless LAN module and reattach the plastic mylar that covers them.